Okay, since I hadn't shared my grocery shopping for a while, let me do that with you today. So I got some bread and dried fruit to put in my oatmeal, tomatoes, peanut spread. It's crunchy too. It's always better for it to be crunchy, right? Crunchy peanut spread. I've never had these before. I'm a little excited about that. I bought bay leaves, tuna flakes, and a small mayonnaise so that I can make sandwich quickly. And what's in this guy here are some fresh products like carrots, tomatoes, onions, got bacon, and minced pork. I am going to make something out of some of these ingredients over here. Okie dokie. You know, sometimes you have these days where you are supposed to have a list of groceries that you want to buy, and you end up buying something totally different. And today was one of those days. I actually went to buy already made pasta sauce, but they didn't really have like the meat sauce that I wanted, so I just randomly decided to make my own meat sauce. And let's see how that turns out. Since my meat sauce cooled down, I put some amount of it into a bowl and microwaved it a little so that I can put the pasta in and it won't get cold. Just gonna toss this around. Oh man, I should have a bigger bowl for this, or I should go directly to the frying pan. And finally, for the topping, no, not the topping, the ritual of serving it onto the plate. Whoops, that didn't go well. It's so hard to serve fettuccine. Oh yeah, I do not want to miss out on any of that meat sauce left over in the bowl. Oh yeah, that looks absolutely delicious. And also, cheese. I want to be generous with the amount. And a pinch of pepper. It's better if you have grated pepper grated, but I don't have this. So. Okie dokie. Oh yes, will you take a look at this pasta with all that chunks of meat and carrots and cheese on the top, and oh, I am so excited to have this. Let's see if I could get this pasta twirl. This is delicious actually. Oh, the meatiness, the cheese just goes well with it. I like the crunchiness of the carrots. I still have that crunchiness of the carrots, and the pasta is cooked perfectly too. It went well. I was lucky. Oh, I want this big chunk of cheese too. I don't want to miss that. Mmm.